Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. If you want to save your drywall mud, so I have my drywall mud here. This is how to do it. So smooth out your drywall mud so it's relatively level and pour just a skim coat of water. You just want a tiny bit of water to encase your mud so it's not going to dry out. So you don't need to fill the entire bucket, but even this much water will now keep this mud nice and wet for next time. This is something that I learned from my days in construction. And guys, one other thing. Stuff like this where you have this stuff here, scrape it out because this will dry, this will fall into your mud, and then you're going to start putting these little dry pieces on your wall, and that's going to completely destroy your job. Guys, to save your mud, just add a tiny bit of water so you have a layer of water to keep your mud ready to go for next time. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.